Hey there. So before our day gets started, we're going to take the dogs for a walk. It's a beautiful morning. The sun is just starting to come out of the clouds. It has been beautiful, but look at this backdrop. Oh my goodness. It's just so gorgeous through here. It's a nice quick walk as Tanner is not able to go for a long walk. But since we are meeting clients today, I think we'll take him along. He's got his own little seat in the truck. So we'll take him so that we can spend some time. We've got a couple of clients to meet, and then we have to go pick up bushes and get those installed today. So we'll talk soon. See you then. Hey everyone. So today we're going to be doing a new install, and there's a party going on here tomorrow, so we're just trying to get it ready for the homeowners. And as you can see, we've got some empty flower beds here and over here, and we're just going to add some bushes and flowers, brighten it up, and see how everything goes. Let's check it out. Hey guys, all right, so we're finished at this job and customer is happy. They will have their party tomorrow, love their new flowers, but the end result is gorgeous. We added some begonias and some dwarf loropetalum, as well as some hostas on the side of the house. Now, this was really important for them because they are at the very beginning of this subdivision. And so it's the first house that everybody sees, and they wanted something nice. They wanted something where everybody was going to be happy and appreciate when they came into the subdivision. But look at that. Lots of color and just some nice flowers. Those bushes are going to stay small, so they don't have to worry about the high maintenance of everything going on. They had some large boxwoods that were there before. They were removed, and now we just have some easy maintenance plants and the annuals they would like to transfer out in the fall. Thanks so much for checking in and seeing what we've got going on today. See you next time.